Hey y'all, so today we are going to be going into the guest bedroom. This is going to be like a trash to treasure room edition, if you will. So I'm going to take you on a tour of this room, and I'm going to do a voiceover and kind of explain some things here and there. But just so you know, a little background, when we first moved into this house, we had to kind of use this room as a temporary bedroom for one of my children, and nothing ever got done to it. So it is the weirdest thing. At some point in time, someone that lived in this home, I really don't even have any way to explain this. I guess they just needed an extra bathroom, maybe. I'm not really sure, because you will see that, strangely enough, they put a bathroom inside of this bedroom, but really never closed it off. So everything is still very open, except for the bathroom part is actually up on what I like to refer to as the stage. So the throne is on the stage, people. For real, literally. But anyway, we have discussed back and forth when we first moved in that we would maybe remove it, because there's actually already a full bathroom upstairs. It's really not necessary to have another bathroom upstairs. But we talked about moving it and just getting rid of it. But then I'm like, you know what? It's already there. So this would make a great guest bedroom. Let's just wall off the bathroom portion. We'll put a door in and put maybe like a step up, and then the bedroom part will be separated from the bathroom part. Well, unfortunately, we still have yet to do that because it is a really low on the priority list. We'll just put it that way. So when my son was able to move into a more permanent bedroom, and he was very thankful because this room had floral wallpaper. And yeah, so that's another thing. I was like, should I paint the wallpaper? Should I strip the wallpaper? I actually like the wallpaper, to be honest with you. It's not necessarily anything I would have chosen. I love wallpaper, but it's probably nothing I would have actually chosen. But it's not bad either. It's just small florals. It actually looks appropriate for a bathroom, to be honest with you. But it works. It's fine. It's not a like a busy pattern. You know what I'm saying? So it worked, and I worked with it. You will see that, like I said, it's all open. So it's very strange, I know, but if you can use your imagination and kind of realize that in this, hopefully the near future, we're going to be doing something in there, probably closing it off. That's what I think. I think that would just be the quickest, easiest solution to the problem of this room. But it still ended up really cute. Now, remember too that I am a big, huge thrifter. And with being a thrifter, I'm also very much into doing things on a budget. So I think pretty much everything in that room has been thrifted or given to me, or maybe it's something I've had. So I was able, my mom, of course, you know, when she passed away, I inherited basically everything that was in their house. And so she had wicker furniture, and so that is what is up there. And I love wicker. To me, wicker just screams cottage core. It screams vintage, shabby chic. So I've also thrown in eclectic and whimsical, and this is going to be a little girl's dream room type of a thing. I've reverted back to my 13-year-old self at some point and some things you will see. So anyway, but I really like the way it turned out. I just go up there and I look at it, and I'm pleased. It makes me happy. It's kind of granny chic, but it's cute. But I'm also kind of trying to multi-purpose this room, where yes, we've got an extra bedroom for any company that we get, although it is just a day bed. We're talking about getting maybe a trundle for underneath. But I also put the wicker table that was on my southern napping porch up there to give me a space to do crafts in. And so I've already used it a couple times for some different crafts, and I like the ability to be able to have that up there. I have a closet up there that you will see in the video, and I have some, nothing's really been done in the closet yet, but it's going to provide me, once I get some more shelving and stuff like that in there, space to store all of my crafting materials and stuff like that. So like I said, it's kind of multi-purpose type of a room. But anyway, I hope that you like it as much as I do. I think that if you are someone that just appreciates doing things on a small budget, thrift store treasures just abounding in there, I think you will like it. So let's go ahead and let's tour this room. I actually have glass inserts for the desk here and the dresser. And I actually have another dresser that I have glass for. I just have not gotten them out yet. And if you happen to notice the rock that was on the bottom of the base of that flower style funky floor lamp, I have to keep that rock there because this thing is so top heavy. I am always afraid that it is going to fall over. I'm sure it won't, but it just makes me feel better if I have something heavy down there to hold it down. So this cute little wicker house, I think it was a toy chest probably at one time, was another one of my thrifted treasures. I painted the top of it green. It used to be red, and I'm wanting to add some fun little details on it, maybe like some window boxes at those windows and stuff like that. So if I get the opportunity to work on that, I will make sure that I give you guys an update on it. But also I'm showing you the bed right now, so it's just lots and lots of layers. And you guys, if you know me at all, you know that I have a problem with collecting pillows at the thrift stores. And so I just loaded this bed down with pillows. I am sorry, but I just think it looks so cute. It just looks cozy, and everybody looks at it and they're like, oh my gosh, Mom, we can't even sit on it because all these pillows. And I'm like, you know what? Throw the pillows to the side. It's fine. I can always fix them. You can fix them. Whatever. I just love pillows. I love the way that it makes it look so cozy. Okay, so do you remember how I said that I reverted back to my 13-year-old self? Well, here's proof. I had these games literally, I think when I was probably in 7th or 8th grade, and I found all of them at the same thrift store one day, and I was just determined to buy them. I just think it's so cool. It totally reminded me of my middle school self, so I thought it would be really cute to just put them on display and on this bookshelf. This bookshelf thing was here. I guess they decided that, everything else was kind of open, but I guess they wanted to hide the actual throne, which is right behind it, and you will see that in a minute. A little fun fact for you, that little baby doll that you see right there, that was actually my very first ever baby doll. And that little yo-yo doll was something also that somebody made for me when I was a baby. And my mom took such good care of those things. And of course, I was able to take good care of them. And I still have them. And I just love stuff like that. Stuff like that means the most to me, like those sentimental pieces, the pieces that have stories behind them. This little music box was also another thrifted item, and I love it so much because it plays one of my favorite songs, which is A Few of My Favorite Things, and I love the cute little florals that are on it. I purchased this lamp at a thrift store and I just about died when I saw it. It was only $12.99 and I absolutely love it. I love the design on it. It's just so beautiful, so perfect. But I actually am still looking for a lampshade to go with it. I think I'd like to get a pink lampshade. And these are just some little teeny weeny trinkets that I found, but I just thought they were so cute because you open them up and then there's like little things going on the inside of them. I'm like a little sucker for little tiny things like that. Okay, so we're coming over here into the kind of like craft portion area of the room. I put that wicker table in the corner, and on the table right now I just have my Cricut machine, and then we're going to kind of go around the corner here and the closet, which is where I'm going to be storing craft supplies. And then I've got this funky little alcove area. So it is not decorated at all. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. My dress form, that's for, I will be moving that. I just have the t-shirt that I made on it right now. But I think I'm going to try and find maybe like a cute type of a shelving unit to use for more storage, but also to maybe have a couple shelves on it to kind of give myself another area to decorate. But here's what I was talking about. This closet is nowhere near finished. But I do have supplies in there already, but I do want to maybe have my husband hang a couple more shelves up above that little cubby shelf that I have, like I said, to just give myself some more space to store my craft supplies. Another little fun fact for you. Those little shoes right there were mine when I was a little girl. Okay guys, I'm not sure how I feel about those little paper butterflies that I have on the display up on the wall in the corner. Let me know down in the comment section. I have tendencies sometimes to go a little too much, but I'm also kind of like more is more. So you guys let me know. But also wanted to let you know too, the bathtub, it is a clawfoot tub. No, it is not an antique. It is just a reproduction, and it is actually not really pretty at all on the underside of it. So I just took some extra fabric that I have from these curtains. This fabric is just a really cute green and white gingham from Hobby Lobby. And I actually just hot glued a little skirt onto that clawfoot tub. And I just thought it looked so cute. And I'm showing you here that this room actually has a lot of light in it. And it's got such great views. The little area that I just showed you outside of that window is actually one of my favorite areas in our yard. We haven't really done anything much with that area yet, but I absolutely love it. Y'all, I know I'm a little ridiculous showing you Heidi again, but I'm obsessed with her. She is just so stinking cute, and right now I'm actually trying to talk to her because I love it when she takes her little head and she kind of cocks it to the side, like she's really trying to figure out what I'm trying to say, but she is just the cutest little thing. She is actually my grand dog. She is Olivia's little dog, but I just love her so much. Okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse today and touring my guest bedroom. I hope that you guys liked it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. Make sure that you stay tuned for my Sunday pop-up or whatever. Like I said, I haven't quite named it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I did a video. It was supposed to be up on Sunday. It actually went up on Monday. But I've decided to try something new by either going live on Sundays or just filming a kind of like a vlog style video for you guys and putting it up. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned this Sunday. Hopefully I'll get it up earlier this Sunday than I did last week's. Stay tuned for that one. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing in that one yet, but I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family and subscribe to my channel. I tell you what really helps me out though. What really helps me out is if you give this video a thumbs up and if you share it, and of course if you comment. That throws this video more into the algorithm of YouTube, which, listen, I don't have time to try and figure out this algorithm, but I do know that that is one thing that does help other YouTubers get their content shared more by YouTube. So I love the support. I love to be supportive, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would support me in that way. It doesn't cost you a thing to like this video, and it doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe either. So anyway, I will see you guys on Sunday hopefully, and have a absolutely blessed day.